Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make cheap, effective gesso using just a few simple ingredients from your home. You need three main things: white glue, white acrylic paint, and a fine powder like rice flour. You can use baking soda too instead of rice flour, but I'm going to use rice flour. Now I'm going to use a bowl and taking 2 spoons of glue and 2 spoons of acrylic paint. After that, we have to mix it. After mixed up, add 4 spoons of rice flour. And stir until you have a thick mixture. Add a few drops of water until the gesso is the consistency of thin pancake batter. That's it! You now have a perfect primer that gives your canvas the texture it needs for painting.